2010 Lawrimore trailer. It's 18 foot long. It's 83 inches wide between the fenders. It's got your tie standard, ball hitch. It's got a dovetail with movable ramps. The ramps are 5 foot long. It's got the 4-wheel brakes on it. It has got right here, you could replace a couple boards if you wanted to. There'd be little short ones, it's not a big deal. Just take them screws up, put your couple boards in there, leave it like it is. It's a real good kind of trailer. It's got 5 whole wheels on it. These are good trailers. Got your jack, ball hitch. Should have a 2 5/16 ball on it, I think. That works. Got your newer style plug-in on it. Safety chains.
And it has a title.
Title is in order.